Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to see what are the different parameters we can use inside the \033 inside the print function, right? So you already know what this is. So we can customize our text in Python console or terminal according to our wish. Like it can be any color, it can be bold, italic, or it has a background color of specific of your choice, right? So let's see by your demonstration. Let's create a new REPL. We go for Python and create REPL, just as simple as that. And now let's check the basic command we already know, like if we just print hello world and the rest one is print \033 and let's color it with 31M and anything hello world. Let's give a space and yeah, let's run it and you can check. Okay, you cannot give space as well, and yeah, it's red color and one is white color, right? So what is the basic comment? You already know about it. And now you can also format the text with specific parameters inside the square bracket, right? So let's suppose you want to bold your text, so bold one for bold, and now you want a background color. So let's suppose for you want background of cyan color, so 46 for cyan, right? So and if you run this, let me just check. It's you have to give the semicolon, my bad. Okay, now just simply run and yeah, as you can check that the color is bold as well, and also if as it is red, that's why behind the cyan background it turns into black. So let me just share another image with you. Just so if you check the image right now, you can check that we have different parameters: 0 for reset all attribute, 1 for bold, and rest are like this. 30 to 37 are foreground colors and 40 to 47 are background colors. So I will attach this image in my Telegram channel, so make sure you join there and download it from there. And also there is another way to actually format your text, that is your Python inbuilt module, Cortana, right? There is many video regarding this, so I don't want to waste time on that particular thing, and it's all about today's video. And make sure you use it properly, because when you use a module there is another load, and if you just remember these things and the parameter, so you can use it directly. And make sure you set the color by 0 to use it again like this, and after you can write again I am Arijit and kind of this thing, so it's again back to normal stage, right? So this is all about today's video. Hope you understand everything I mentioned, and till then, take care.